Hi viewers, welcome to Linuxmint.com. Today we are going to see about how to install CherryTree on Linuxmint 18.3. CherryTree is a lightweight text editor. It is used for image handling, password production and etc. It stores data as a single XML or SQLite file. It also provides a feature to copy paste the hyperlinks from the other apps. Okay, now let us see how to install CherryTree on Linuxmint 18.3. First of all, we have to add the repository of CherryTree using by PPA. Click enter and continue. Then before starting your installation, you should update our system repository using by apt-get command. The update is complete now. Then finally we have to install the CherryTree application. Click Y and continue the installation. The installation is complete now. Then we have to open the Linux menu. Here we have to type CherryTree. The application is shown on the screen. Now we have to open this application. Then here we can see CherryTree application. Now you can able to use this application. Now we have to check the version of CherryTree. Here we can see the version of CherryTree 0.38.4. Thus we have seen how to install CherryTree on Linuxmint 18.3. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel Linuxhelp. If you still need more video, visit www.linuxhelp.com. For any queries to mail support@linuxhelp.com.